Sets of integers. Do you remember in primary 5 you took the set of counting numbers C equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then you took the set of natural numbers N equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. In primary 6 your new lesson is the set of integers Z. The number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Numbers to the right of 0 are positive, Z positive. 0, which is neither negative nor positive. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative, Z negative. As you see from the number line, Z consists of Z positive equal 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Z negative equal -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on, and set of 0. Again, let's revise the set of integers Z, which is the mother which has 3 sons. Z positive, the set of positive numbers. Union, the set of 0, which is neither negative nor positive. Union Z negative, the set of negative numbers. And don't forget that union means and. Example 1. Represent the following numbers on the number line A, 4, -2, 0, 1. To represent any number on the number line, use your pencil and ruler to draw a number line with equal spaces between each number. Then put a dot on the number you want to represent. Write the inverse of each of the numbers. At the beginning, inverse means the opposite of the number. If I have a negative number, I'll change it into positive, and if I have a positive number, I'll change it into negative. Then the inverse of number 11 is -11. 0 is 0 as it is. -8 is 8. 7, -7. -9, 9. 12, -12. -18, 18. -13, 13. 15, -15. -20, 20.